Alright, I've got a 2015 Taurus that is cranking but won't start. I watched another video. They said it's the fuel control module. So, passenger side rear seat. Pull down. You can grab this felt here and pull it back. And the module is right here on the frame. I'm going to unbolt it and put a new one on, and hopefully that's it. Plug and play. Alright, this is the part number at O'Reilly Auto Parts for the part. This is the old unit that came out. You got to be careful to make sure you get the 8-pin if you have the 8-pin. There was also a 6-pin. So here's the old one. And here is the new part, which we're going to put in. Just make sure it matches up, because there was a 6-pin option as well. So make sure you pull it out before you go to the parts store. Alright, so we've got the new part, and literally you're just going to snap it in. And then it's going to bolt right back up on the wall here, and that should be it. If all goes well and it starts, we'll be good to go. Quick and easy. Alright, so that did the trick. The fuel control module was all it was. It was about $82 with tax at O'Reilly. The only thing I suggest is using a long extension here to tighten this. I didn't even have to remove the clip, so I literally just undid these bolts, unclipped it, put the new one in, bolted the new one in, and that's it. $80 fix. Car was cranking over, but not starting. And it started immediately as soon as I put the new part in. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Isn't that what people say these days? Alright, have a good day.